Nokia 5300 lower block disassembly and assembly. You will need the following tools: the SS45 camera removal tool, metal tweezers, a straight-bladed screwdriver, a bit holder with a Torx Plus size 6-bit, a torque driver, and a DC plug. Always cover the windows with a protective film. Unlock and remove the E-cover. Remove the battery if it is still inserted. Unscrew the Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown. Remove all screws and discard them. Do not use them again. Before removing the label cover, open the SIM flip first. Then lever out the whole label cover. Never mismatch this part with other engine modules. Carefully unlock the latches of the seat cover on both sides. Do not bend the shielding lids. Shift the seat cover in direction shown and remove it. Do not touch the lens of the camera module while removing the camera gasket. Use the SS45 camera removal tool to unlock the clips of the housing of the camera. Use the SS88 for the smaller camera of the 5200. Carefully release the power key. Lever out the DC jack with the DC plug. Lift up the engine module, but bear in mind that the flex connector is still connected. Carefully lever open the flex connector. Remove the numeric key mat. The disassembly procedure is now completed. Assembly. Insert the key mat. Connect the flex foil. Position the engine module correctly. Insert the camera, mind the correct positioning. Use the SS88 for the smaller camera of the 5200. Carefully push it into its place. Place the camera gasket. When replacing the whole E-cover assembly, the fitted label cover must be replaced with the original labeled one. Never deliver the product without its type label. Insert the DC jack with the DC plug. Place the power key. Mind the correct placement. Insert the label cover, fitted with the original type label. Click all snaps into their places. Before continue, bring all levers of the side keys into the position shown. Place the assemblies together. Click the snaps into their places. Check the functionality of all keys before going on. Mind the correct positioning of this metal clips. Insert all screws. Set the correct torque. Apply the torque to all screws in the order shown. Complete the assembly with the B cover. At least check the functionality of the slide mechanism.